Let's make this delicious chicken pastries, a favourite in every home. So let's get straight into it. In your pan, pour in oil, add in the chicken pieces, ginger and garlic paste and cook until all the water has evaporated, then leave aside. Now to make the sauce, you melt some butter, ginger and garlic paste, chilli paste, cumin powder, black pepper, chilli powder and cook for a minute. Then add in tomato sauce, garlic chili sauce, sweet corn, potatoes, shred the chicken and add that in, peppers and chopped coriander, and you mix everything together. This smells so good. Now to fill, I'm using 5x5 pastry squares here. Cut pastry in half, add a little flour paste, fill and seal the edges. Cut a few slits on top and brush over with egg and sprinkle over with sesame seeds. You then bake in the oven for around 25 minutes until the pastry is cooked and golden. Enjoy! Follow for more easy and delicious recipes.